Hey guys, Ben Graham here with Remax, your local real estate professional. If you haven't seen, I am transitioning to Graham Group Real Estate. Super excited about that, expanding our team, our services to ultimately provide better value for all of you folks out there. So with that being said, just wanted to bring this month's topic. It's a little DIY projects that you could do around your house. Now, I am probably the most unhandy person there is, if that's even a word. Dad, I'm sorry. I know that you basically built our house, but I can't hardly swing a hammer. So that being said, there's some ideas down below. Of course, I'm going to pick off the low-hanging fruit, stuff like painting the doors to give it a fresh feel. If you live in an HOA, which is 90% of you here in Arizona, make sure that you're safe. So don't get me in trouble. But that being said, there's some other neat projects as well. Now's a great time to do that going into the busy season of the fall and the holidays. Knock these out and enjoy them for the upcoming season. So that being said, if you have any real estate needs or questions or how a certain upgrade will affect the value of your home down the road, of course, call, text, email me, and we'll get together and talk further. Take care.